But is the carer worker visa out of the shortage occupation list? Here is the truth, guys. What is up, guys? I am so happy to be back because I really missed you. I really missed you so much, but I really needed the break. I didn't know where I was going to start today because there are a bunch or like a lot of things that I want to share with you. But I am glad someone posted a question, and the question goes like, we have been waiting for you to explain to us the new amended immigration rule which seemed to take away care sponsorship code 6145. Does this mean this route is now closed? So guys, it has been all over YouTube, all over social media, that the code 6145, which is in the shortage occupation list, is no longer existing in the shortage occupation list, as in it was taken off the shortage occupation list. And a lot of people are concerned because obviously if the code has been taken off the shortage occupation list, it automatically means the visa route has come to an end. So I had to do some research, and this is what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Pauline Popomoyo, and this is the channel where we keep things real. I missed saying that, guys. And without wasting any of your time, let's get into it.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage.
First of all, for us to understand what code 6145 is, I'm going to start by talking about the shortage occupation list. So guys, a shortage occupation list shows a list of occupations where there is shortage of skilled workers here in UK. So in UK, there is what we call a migration advisory committee. They are the ones who actually tell the government of UK to add certain occupations into the shortage occupation list after doing their own research, and they make recommendations to the government to say this particular industry, there's a critical shortage and they need to add it to shortage occupation list. If your occupation is in the shortage occupation list, it simply means that if there are companies here in UK who are licensed to sponsor people from overseas, they can hire you from overseas. And if they're applying for a visa, or if you're applying for a visa, you need to make reference to the shortage occupation code. For example, if you're a carer, you use the code 6145. So if your code is not in the shortage occupation list, it simply means you can no longer apply for a job here in UK. But is the carer worker visa out of the shortage occupation list? Here is the truth, guys. So as I did my own research, I did note that there are certain immigration barristers who categorize the shortage occupation list. They categorize it into different fields. For example, there is the medical field and there's the healthcare field. And under medical, we've got the nurses, the doctors, the auxiliary nurses, and their assistants. And then we also have the healthcare workers. And under the healthcare workers, they only put senior care assistants, which is SOC, shortage occupation list code 6146. However, guys, this does not mean that the code 6145 has been taken off the shortage occupation list. And the good news is the shortage occupation list was last updated yesterday. It was updated yesterday, the 9th of August 2023. Besides, if you go to Richmond Chambers, if you go to the bottom of their page, you will note that there is SOC 6145 for care workers. And as I went through the shortage occupation list, guys, yesterday, the good news is that healthcare assistants are still on the shortage occupation list. As you can see, code 6145 care workers. So all these rumors that have been flying around that code 6145 is no longer in the shortage occupation list, blah blah blah, it's all but just rumors. The care workers are still in the shortage occupation list, and you can still apply to come and work in UK as a healthcare assistant. The Minister Rishi Sunak did indicate that they have no intentions of taking care workers out of the shortage occupation list because there is a critical shortage of healthcare assistants here in UK, or there is a critical shortage of healthcare professionals here in UK. Do not mind all these inks on my hands, guys. I just knocked off work, and this simply shows that I've been working. That's why I've got ink all over. So the thing is, what I've noted is that a lot of people have given up on applying for healthcare assistant jobs. Some hear rumors that, oh, this visa route is going to come to an end, and they think it's not worth pursuing this visa route. This visa route is still worth pursuing, guys. And I've noted that more and more companies are being added to the list of licensed sponsors. More and more companies are willing to sponsor you from overseas so that you come and work here in UK as healthcare assistants. But the problem is, most of the companies now want you to pay for most of the expenses. It's very difficult to find a company which is going to pay for your visa, for your flight tickets and everything. They are now charging people an arm and a leg, but some are charging reasonable. I don't know whether I should call it reasonable. They are charging reasonable fees like £2,500. I don't know whether 2,500 is reasonable, but I think it's better than paying 12,500. They make you pay for the immigration fees and these other fees up to a total of 2,000 something pounds for you to be able to relocate here to UK. So it's up to you, guys. It's either you take that route where you're going to pay 2,000 something for you to come to UK. Go back to the list of licensed sponsors, because each and every day more and more companies are being added to the list of licensed sponsors. So go back to the list of licensed sponsors, check your time to go through that list and do apply, because when I went through that list, guys, I noted that there are companies which are now licensed to sponsor, and I found those companies and they're actually hiring from overseas and they're offering visa sponsorship. It's just that I have not been able to do videos to share those companies with you, but since I'm now back, obviously be sharing with you more companies which are hiring from overseas and are offering visa sponsorship. So guys, relax, stop stressing, stop being worried. Healthcare assistants are still in the shortage occupation list, and they have no plans of taking them off the shortage occupation list because of the critical shortage. Because of the critical shortage of healthcare assistants here in UK. So this is the short video that I wanted to share with you guys, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with your friends who are concerned about the health and care worker visa, and do subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you never miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.